Hey guys, 59-year-old Jaime from Oregon can't walk very well because his legs are so weak. We've done a ton of work on him, but you guys always want to see me do other adjustments. Here's a thoracic adjustment. Check it out. Respira profunda. Good. Okay, las manos abajo, abajo. Good. Okay, uno más here, respira. Okay, uno más again, respira profunda. Again in. Good. Perfect. That was good. Now we're going to do his low back. I'm doing a little pull move on his L5. Check that out. Not a bad one from the right side. Good. Now we're coming from the other side. Give you a little different perspective. Woo-wee. Good. Now a little left hip adjustment. I think we yank him off the table here. Now for the right leg. Check it out. Bingo. Now for the real adjustment, the neck adjustment. You guys know I do this in all my videos. I hope you have time to come check out his full video. It's almost 20 minutes. We take 2 weeks changing from not walking to walking. This is his left side, and we had the biggest trouble with him the entire time. I'm taking extra time here because he is a bugger. Hope you guys enjoy my channel. Hope you guys enjoy this story. Remember, come and check out his full video. See you guys next time. Really tight. There, already started to pop. Wow! Woo-wee!